The dinosaur. Yeah, that's the tail of the dinosaur. Where's the teeth of the dinosaur? Teeth. Yun, very good. Where's the eyes of the dinosaur? Yan, eyes. Where's the head of the dinosaur? Head. Not mama's head, the dinosaur's head. Where's the head of the dinosaur? Head, head, head. Where's the head? Head, head. Very good. So where's the tummy of the dinosaur? Tummy, tummy, tummy. Yes, very good. What about the feet of the dinosaur? Where's the feet of the dinosaur? Feet, feet. Very good, baby. Again, where's the back of the dinosaur? Back. Where's the back? That's a hands. This is the back of the dinosaur. Yeah. Where's the back again? That's the back of the dinosaur. What about the hands? Oh, yeah, that's the hands of the dinosaur. What about the tail? That's a tail. What about the teeth? Teeth. The head. Where's the head of the dinosaur? Head. Head. Where's the head? Head. Where's the head?